Now open page number 19. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. You can see here a picture of seesaw, and the boy's name of this boy is Raju, and he wants to play seesaw. Rani comes to help Raju. But to play the seesaw, he wants a friend. Without friend, how can he play seesaw? So he wants a friend to play seesaw. So Rani comes to help Raju. Here you can see Rani has come to play seesaw with Raju. But still Raju cannot ride it. But you can see here Raju has gone down on seesaw and Rani is upside. So this Raju is not able to play seesaw. Can you tell why? Circle the correct answer. So do you know why Raju is not able to ride the seesaw? So they have given two options here and we have to circle the correct answer. So first answer is Raju is heavier, or this line is called or. Raju is heavier. That's why he is not able to ride or lighter than Rani. Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani. So what is the correct answer? So when we keep two things in the weigh scale, so which weigh scale goes down? Do you know? The weigh scale which has more weight, it goes down. So Raju is heavier or lighter? Raju is heavier. So this is the correct answer. Raju is heavier. That's why Raju cannot ride seesaw. Aslam comes to help them. Now one more friend has come to play seesaw with Raju. His name is Aslam. Aslam comes to help them. Look at the picture. Now you can see in the picture, at one side there is Raju and on the other side there is Rani and Aslam. So Aslam comes to help them. Look at the picture. Can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? What now? Before this, Raju's side was down. Now you can see Rani's and Aslam's side is down. So can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani and Aslam together. Now Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani and Aslam. Now here you can see Rani and Raju was sitting. Raju and Rani were sitting on the seesaw. That time Raju was heavy. But now here you can see Raju has gone up and Rani and Aslam has at the downside. So now Raju is lighter. Now Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam together. Because both of them, they have sat here and only alone Raju is sitting here. So now this part is heavier. I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. Now also they are not able to ride seesaw. Why? Because to play the seesaw, the weight on the both sides should be equal. Then only it can be played. So now Raju got an idea. Raju is saying that now I will keep my bag with me. So here Raju will keep his bag and then both sides will become equal and then they will be able to ride the seesaw. So now here you can see Raju has taken his bag with him and on the other side Rani and Aslam are sitting. So now both sides are equal and now they are able to ride the seesaw. Now we are all enjoying the ride. Now they are saying we can enjoy the ride. Now see the page number 20. Heavier or lighter. Now you have understood that the seesaw goes downside, that side is heavier and upside is lighter. So now here we have to match which of the two go down. Look at the example. So if we keep this watermelon on this side, then only this side will go down. So we have to match this line with the side which goes down. Now draw a line to match the heavier one. We have to match the heavier one with the scale, with this seesaw. So this pot is heavier or this bottle is heavier. So this pot is heavier, so this will go down. Now 2 glasses of water and 1 jug of water. Which will be heavier? So 1 jug of water will be heavier. A mug or a bucket, which one will be heavier? So obviously this bucket will be heavier. In this way we have to match it. Now next is color the one which is lighter. We have to color the things which are lighter. Now here is the pair of 2 things. Here is tennis ball, here is football. So which one will be heavier? So this football will be heavier. So you have to color the one which is lighter. So lighter thing you have to color here. So this is lighter. So you have to color this small tennis ball. Now second pair is of bag and box. Geometry box means compass. Here is a compass and here is school bag. So which one will be lighter? Lighter means not heavy. So this will be lighter. So you have to color this geometry box or compass box.